Working on our Dodge 2500 again. We had a fuel tank strap come loose, dropped the fuel tank down, broke the fuel pump connections, also tore the fuel tank filler neck out of the side of the truck. It was all rusted anyway. We're running a 8-foot Western Pro plow on the front of this Dodge. Works very well. What happened when it did that, the truck shut off, and that is because it broke off the fuel tank connections, which are these things right here. It's supposed to go right here and there. Just snapped them right off, and so the truck basically ran out of fuel, shut down. So we had to drop the tank, put a new fuel pump in it, reconnect everything up. Everything's pretty rusty underneath. So when we put this back together, we put a reinforcement strap ran it up through to the top of the frame, and just put like an insurance strap on the bottom of the fuel tank. There you can see the regular fuel tank strap. Also put a new fuel tank filler neck on from Rock Auto. Very cheap, works very well. And hopefully that'll stop this fuel tank from dropping down again and breaking the fuel pump connections.